Nagar Investing here. Today we're going to be covering Shopify stock and recent news regarding it. So Shopify's just announced a stock split, and we're going to get into what a stock split is and what a stock split means for the future growth of this company. Shopify's stock price is down over up to 50% in the last 6 months, and in the last month it's down pretty bad. And the reason for that is the war in Ukraine. And many companies, businesses have decided to part ways with doing business with Russia, and yeah, Apple's done the same, and many other companies I can't think of on the top of my head, but many companies have decided not to work with Russia, not to do business with them, and that's why the stock price is tremendously down right now, and it's hurting the financials of this company. But the stock split news will mean great things for this company in the future. Shopify is an e-commerce website that allows for people to sell their products to various different types of channels. They've been operating since 2015, so just over 6 years, and it's a great company fundamentally, and everything's going digital. So in the future, this company will be on the rise. And yeah, guys, so let's get into what a stock split is, because that's why you're watching this video. That's why you clicked on this video. So yeah, so whole article on a stock split. What a stock split is, it basically divides the stock. It divides depending on what the stock split is. So in Shopify's case, the stock split is 10 to 1, meaning the stock price as of the split. So the split is happening around June time. They're gonna vote on it, and then a decision will be made. Uh, so the stock price is gonna be divided by 10. So what that means is the stock price for one share will be down. And what that means is more people can afford the stock, more investors in the retail space would be willing to invest at a lower price because less money is going out of their bank account. And what that does is when more people are buying a stock, obviously the stock price goes up and the company has room to advance and, you know, diversify their operations because more people are willing to put in more money into the company. So we know this is happening in June. It's a 10 to 1 stock split. So Shopify also announced earnings yesterday, that they're having earnings in 14 days from now. So that could bring the stock price down even more. And that's a great buying opportunity. But in my opinion, I would enter in just at this price and just average down. Because in the upcoming days, you can't time this market. So in my opinion, I would buy right now and see what happens. I would average down because I feel it might go down a bit more because earnings are coming up. We might know, we never know. It might spike up after earnings. So even after the stock split, I'd say get in before the stock split. And what happens is when a stock splits, it's say you already own Shopify. Say you own 2 shares of Shopify. When the stock split happens, you're gonna get reimbursed the amount, but in more shares because the stock price is gonna be lower. So you're not gonna lose anything. It doesn't work like that. You're gonna have the same amount of money, but just more share. Same amount of money, but more shares because the stock price will be substantially lower, and you'll be able to buy more because the stock's gonna be at a cheaper price. And so for future growth, we have evidence that it's gonna grow. It's been growing. I mean, since 2015, we're up crazy amounts, and we had a peak. We had the stock hit a high at the peak of the pandemic when everything was going digital. Everyone was buying online. No one was willing to go outside, and now slowly stores are opening up, but we do see a rise in COVID cases. But that doesn't mean, even if COVID stops today, that doesn't mean this company is going down the toilet. This company will continue to grow as the e-commerce space is growing rapidly. And let's see what analysts have to say about this company. So it's a strong buy. Obviously, it's a no-brainer. We already know this. And currently, it's sitting at 731. It's so analysts are saying that the low will be 1600. An average price will be 1900 and a high of 2400. So that means great things. Analysts are positive on it, and I would buy. I would get in right now and just average down in the upcoming months, and then the stock split happens. Boom, we're gonna go lift off crazy. You know how it goes. Let's see what the community thinks. So, community. Some people are bullish. Some people are bearish. So we have some bulls, we have some bears. You can't time the market. People are scared to invest, but hey, when you believe a company, just put your money in it and see what happens. And let's see. I bought more at this fake pullback. 10-year bond inflation at 2.68%. So good for the day. Down inflation is happening. Expect Shopify back to 1700. More businesses are created every day due to opportunity. Shopify sure sees something out with that. Twitter, Facebook as well. And 23 likes on that. So 23 people agree with them, and many more do as well. So great buy. I highly recommend getting in right now and averaging down as the months as it gets closer to stock split time. Just blow it up before stock split, and boom, you're a rocket. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave any comments down below. I'll be soon to get back to you as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you.